Kenyatta National Hospital privately. The spouse, the father of the children, family, and friends to Etibayo. We want to tell the members of public that today, at 1:03 p.m., we have lost Etibayo. It is no longer a rumor, it is the truth. Betty was unwell since last week, and she was diagnosed with acute mild cancer, that is leukemia. But she was suffering from excess bleeding. The doctors tried to do their best. First, she was taken to AAR in Kemburo. She was later transferred here on Friday. The doctors have tried their best, but the will of God has prevailed. We are planning to move her body from Kenyatta National Hospital to KU referral and all the other communications and brief will come later. The life of our dear friend rest in peace and fare thee well it is thine. We loved you, but God loved you more. You have been a hero. You have inspired many. You sang to us in the 11th hour. We also left believing that it is 11th hour that God would reinstate your health. But God has done according to his will, and we respect the will of God. Fear thee well, our dear friend, and we love you so much.
Okay, second.
Makanya Osmo, siku hapa ni haraka abeti, mashabiki ake, familia yake, hamwe na Togonia, Afrika ya Mwanza. Na huku mwikwa Togonia itu, betu sawa oga lima, itu, beide betu ya umudi, kulingana na mwimusho wareke palkimia, kuria makutengeria wiki ngima okugeragio njĩra ciothe na madagĩtarĩ maheni kiruma ona ting'ano cia andũ kwĩigĩrĩra nĩ tũrĩkĩtie Elizabeth na tũkauga rĩtwa rĩa Mwathani rĩrogocwo, macabiki make mũmĩrĩru, bamĩrĩ mũmĩrĩru, aini mũmĩrĩru, arata mũmĩrĩru. Tũgũkũ Kenyatta thaa ici na tũrenda tũcemanie kũrĩa KU referral kũrĩa kũiga mwĩrĩ wake mĩbango ĩngĩ o yothe nĩguo kũmũmenyithia thutha-inĩ. Nĩ Moi mũrata witũ Betty ndiũkorwo ũkwende. We start now.